The ultimate luxury mountain escape is waiting for you in Telluride, Colorado. Welcome to Wander Telluride Falls. I'm Frankie, and I'm going to be taking you on a tour of this absolutely breathtaking 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom architectural masterpiece surrounded by the grandeur of Telluride. All right, let's head on inside. Your adventure truly begins the moment you step foot on the grounds of Wander Telluride Falls. A sheer enormity of the surrounding canyons and mountains will leave you breathless. The panoramic views of the incredible landscapes unfold right before your eyes. And despite its remote feel, the house is only 1 mile from the town of Telluride, where you can access the gondola and ski lift 8 at Telluride Ski Resort. Upon first entering the house here, we have a very cozy, welcoming space to just greet us into the home. As we move down the hallway from the main level of the house, we have one of the coolest features of this sprawling home. We have the elevator here that takes you from the ground level to the upstairs of the house, so you can easily move from the home office on the main level. Coming down from the elevator, we have a bathroom located here for your convenience, and then that home office I just mentioned. You also have these beautiful walk-in teak closets here that has plenty of storage for all of your wardrobe. This is great if you're here for a longer stay with us. Heading into the house here, you will be in awe of this great living room here that has these beautiful wooden teak beams, robust metal trusses, 20-foot ceilings, all surrounded by these window walls that invite the mountains inside here with you. Now, this is my favorite room of the house. It's incredibly warm and welcoming. You have a comfortable lounging couch, 2 cozy sitting areas such as this very unique lounging chair here. And the highlight of this room is the granite and iron gas fireplace, making this the perfect spot to just lounge and relax with your friends and family after you have an action-packed day here in Telluride. Walking into the very modern and sleek kitchen here, we have beautiful wooden cabinetry, a Wolf gas range stovetop, an oversized Sub-Zero refrigerator, a huge kitchen island that has seating and a built-in wine cooler, and then we have a dining nook in the corner here that is accented by this beautiful metal chandelier. When you are staying at a Wander home, you can cook a meal here by yourself with all of the utensils, cookware, and appliances we provide for you, or you can have our Wander Concierge suggest the finest private chefs to come here and craft some beautiful meals for you and your party. Now, you can enjoy that meal right here in the kitchen with the dining nook and the kitchen island seating, or in the formal dining room where we have seating for 10. This is the spot to have your dinner party. It's very spacious in here. You have an elegant cocktail bar, beautiful decor, and then you have the huge window walls that just guarantee gorgeous natural views while you are enjoying your meal. Then across from the kitchen, we have another comfortable lounging living room area. We have an L-shaped couch here and a wall-mounted TV. If you're looking for a little bit more of an intimate space, this is the perfect spot for that. What's even better than all of this is Wander's state-of-the-art home automation technology system. Just using your smartphone and a little Wander magic, you can unlock the doors, turn on the lights, and even adjust the temperature. As you admire this beautiful home, you will notice the interior design is carefully curated and always reflects the location the house is in. Since Telluride is known for its world-class skiing and beautiful natural ambiance and landscapes, all of the decor and materials used to construct this home reflect that, giving you a fully immersed vacation experience. At the end of the hallway, we have the grand primary bedroom. Now, this room is a sanctuary of serenity. You have a king-size bed, a sleek bookcase, this super cozy sitting room area, a wall-mounted TV, and a gas fireplace. And you have access to a private terrace where you have the most perfect view of Bridal Veil Falls here. This is amazing. Imagine waking up, coming out here, and this is the first view you're gonna have to start a beautiful morning. Then you have the en-suite primary bathroom here, which is very luxurious and adorned with Yangtze stone. And the standout of this bathroom is the full open shower with 2 shower heads and a large soaking tub here with a bathing cart, so you can just light a candle and sip on a glass of wine. This layout is so unique and I'm absolutely in love with it. This is set up to give you the most luxurious bathing experience of your life. And not to mention, this could be incredible incredibly romantic if you are here with a loved one. Elevate your travel experience with the thoughtful touches that define Wander's commitment to unparalleled comfort and style. All Wander bathrooms are well appointed with high-end amenities that ensure quality that will exceed expectations. You can also find lush towels, robes, and slippers that we supply for you. Personally, I cannot wait to put on my Wander robe at every single stay. It's the little things that make a stay awesome, you know? One of the main benefits of staying at a Wander versus other vacation homes is the ultra-modern workstations found at every single property. And here at Telluride Falls, we have 3 for your use. Every Wander home has high-speed internet and ubiquity hardware across the entire property. Each workstation has a Herman Miller Aeron chair, which has the best back support of all chairs, and an uplift sit-to-stand desk. There's also the best Logitech Brio 4K camera so that you will look crystal clear in all your Zoom calls and you won't even need a virtual background. Each desk also has a 38-inch extra-wide LG curved monitor and high-end speakers. What I loved when I first arrived and I wanted to get started with this workstation is plug one wire into my laptop, and all of this was already connected for me, making the whole process seamless and hassle-free. Then on the ground level, we have 3 additional bedrooms, such as this queen-size bedroom with a TV, a workstation, a cozy reading nook, and an en-suite bathroom, a king-size room with a cozy lounging reading nook area as well, and an en-suite bathroom. Then we have our very cool bunk room here that is very ideal for a large family vacation, travel with multiple families, or a family reunion. We have 3 sets of bunk beds here that comfortably sleep 6, and as well as the other bedrooms in the house, you have an en-suite bathroom. A standout element of all Wander bedrooms is how comfortable they are. We want you to sleep better than you do at home, so we make sure our mattresses use the latest in sleep technology to make sure you leave feeling well rested and refreshed. The smart mattresses allow you to personalize your comfort from soft to firm so that you have relaxation experiences and restorative sleep. And my all-time favorite feature of all Wander bedrooms is the wireless phone chargers we have next to every single one of the beds. So if you forgot to pack your own charger, there's no need to stress. You can take your family vacation to the next level with Wander. A crib, high chair, and car seat are all available so that you can enjoy a worry-free journey and reclaim some of that precious luggage space on your epic getaway. The family recreation room downstairs that has a TV, a lounging couch, a workstation, a game table with plenty of books and games in these cabinets for you, and even a microwave and refrigerator, making for a super fun family game night. As well as the media room where we have a TV, huge speakers, a lounging couch. We even have a record player down here, and then a large bookshelf, ensuring plenty of entertainment in this room. And the home gym down here that has plenty of equipment for you to stay fit during your stay. Well, that is the interior of this marvelous mountain home, but there's a few other features of this house that you should know about that will enhance your vacation. We have a 2-car garage here for you with heated spaces inside for your skis, boots, and gloves during the winter season. A sprawling deck surrounds the estate covered in Yangtze River pavers. You can access this patio from almost every single room on the main level. We have a nice fire pit here with comfortable benches, another great opportunity for stargazing, a barbecue grill around the corner, and of course, the jaw-dropping views of Box Canyon and Bridal Veil Falls. I mean, you feel like you are fully immersed in the canyon while standing on this patio right from your own Wander home. You have a huge wooded backyard with plenty of places to explore. There's even a small trail back here that leads to the waterfall right next to the house. If you are going to use that trail, just use caution, especially with little ones. And then if you come up the stone staircase in the backyard, you have the super luxurious hot tub that is just fully immersed in the nature back here. This is my favorite spot to come back, relax in this hot tub, soak it up, have a glass of wine, and enjoy these beautiful views of the mountains. If that is what you were looking for, this will definitely do the trick. In the backyard here, you also have an expansive patio with a crackling fireplace. Great for any time of the day, but I think this would be wonderful at night. You can warm up right next to the fire and just stargaze in the clear mountain sky. Ever feel overwhelmed with what to do during your stay? Well, we can help you out. We have a travel guide you can watch next with a ton of recommendations on what to do, see, and eat within the area. But do you need more specific help? Our Wander Concierge team can help you out with that. Just simply text the number shown here on the screen anytime with questions. Here at Wander, we believe humans are meant to explore the world and that these experiences are best when shared. If you're an employer looking to unlock the ultimate employee perks, our Wander Teams program allows you to purchase Wander credits that you can use toward corporate retreats, awards for top performers, and as team-wide benefits. You can learn more about that at wander.com/teams. Thanks for joining me here at Wander Telluride Falls. With our house tour complete, let's go on and explore the surrounding area because there is a ton to do and see here. You can check out our travel guide next to learn all about it. We can't wait to welcome you here in Colorado.